of creatures. They are the immortal sky, the human being in the world, and the ghost in the hell. Altogether return to heaven. Our master Shijun and Shimu, under the command of God, transmit the true Tao to the three kinds of creature. Their duty is to manage the so-called the last salvation. This salvation is without a word. This transmission is out of preaching. It directly points out the original nature of mankind to make people realize their original nature, then come to enlightenment. When the last calamity comes, nothing can save mankind, except the only way, that is Tao, which is descended by God. That's why the Tao is widely propagated in nowadays to save the good men. So after we had obtained Tao, we have to seriously cultivate ourselves. Then automatically we shall be free from danger, escape from the calamity, transcend from reincarnation, and become saints or Buddhas as well. Ladies and gentlemen, you have received the great almighty Tao today. However, what did you actually get? During the Tao transmitting ceremony just now, the Master has transmitted us with three treasures. These three treasures are your three important proofs to enter heaven. 1. Heavenly portal, mysterious door. 2. Heavenly password, Holy Sutra. 3. Heavenly hand sign, hand seal. 1. Heavenly portal, mysterious door. The portal is not well understood by many people, even though we see clues about its importance all the time. For instance, when you close your eyes, clasp your hands together and lower your head to pray, you automatically focus your mind at the portal. This action is completely natural, and something we all do without a thought. Also, consider what happens when you frown because something troubles you, or glare at someone out of anger. In those situations, your portal is literally clenched tightly shut. The mental pressure from anxiety or anger puts tremendous weight on the spiritual doorway, cutting off your soul from everything around you.